Today we're at the latest recipe at the Méridien Bangkok.
I am Marco and I'm the executive chef here at the Méridien Bangkok. Today I want to guide you through our buffet and please come here.
The Méridien Bangkok is offering a new buffet concept for lunch, dinner, and Sunday brunch. Under the name La Dolce Vita, meaning the good life, full of pleasure and indulgence. Let's see if what they're offering match with this word. There are a wide variety of food offered here, from seafood, Thai, to Italian.
นี่คืออะไรครับ
เป็นส้มตำไทยค่ะ
ตำไทยใส่ไม่ใช่ถั่วธรรมดาแต่เป็นถั่ว
เม็ดมะม่วงหินนะคะ
อ่า
แล้วก็อันนี้จะเป็นเส้นส้มตำที่เราใส่ดอกอัญชันเข้าไปนะคะ
ครับ ใส่อะไรข้างบนนะปู
เป็นดอกอัญชันทอด
tomato sauce, cheese, ham, and salami. Try this one.
วันนี้นะคะขอนำเสนอเรดไวน์นะคะโค้ดเดโรนนะคะพันชินัทนะคะพันนี้นะคะมีเดียมฟูนะคะบอดี้ของไวน์ก็จะมีความเป็นแทนนินสูงนิดนึงนะคะ
This is another dish I would like to try because this is not squid linguine. It's made of cocoa and chocolate. So let's see how this tastes. It has the spiciness of the chili, but at the same time it has the bitterness of the chocolate and the coffee. Interesting.
Black olive powder and some black olive and balsamic juice. Of course, we have some butter, some Asiago cheese, and everything else.
This is a very interesting dish. It's a risotto with apple and mango. Right. halfway between a savory dish and a sweet dish. It's very creamy, it's very light, and with the tartness of the apple and mango and sweetness, is it really well balanced.
So there you have it. Is it La Dolce Vita? I think it is.